Del here with some awesome Fritos, and this is the chili cheese nachos, chili cheese flavored. I don't know if they call it. The back of the package calls them nachos. The front of the package calls them corn chips. They look more like corn chips to me. But yeah, this is Fritos. I haven't any of this in a while. So let's open these up without too much further ado and get the tasting these. Chili cheese. So if you're a chili cheese person, this is your flavor. Now, if you're a Fritos guy, that's for you too. These are great. Fritos, you gotta love them. Producer. I guess I'll just keep eating them until I get here and turn off the camera.